everybody. My name is Gary Fowler, and I am the CEO, president, and co-founder of GSD Get Shit Done Venture Studios. Today, you're going to see some of the most incredible companies from around the world in areas like artificial intelligence, medtech, future work, and mobility. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to our VP of Programs, Nick. Nick?
Thanks, Gary. At GSD Labs, we believe that intellectual capacity is spread evenly throughout the world, but opportunity is not. We've traveled the globe and found what we believe to be are the most interesting and innovative founders and ideas to share with you today. From as far away as Africa, India, and Qatar to right here at home, today's companies have been working hard to build incredible products and services over the past months and years. For the past 15 weeks, they've worked even harder with myself, Gary, and our entire network to hone their business strategy, bolster their sales and marketing skills, as well as learn and get connected through mentorship, all in preparation for today. We think of our demo days as the culmination of each founder's work, and we don't mean just with their current venture. It is a culmination of hours, days, and years spent in pursuit of both knowledge and innovation across their lifetime. We also look at today as a jumping off point. Each founder and team now has the tools to take their business to the next level. All they need is some gas for their fires. That's right, investors, I'm talking to you. We really appreciate that you took some time today to be here with us and are confident that you will discover an idea or founder that clicks. So let's get started. Thanks. ABC Fintech offers investors an ownership interest in commercial real estate through a digital security called the ABC token. This method of fractionalizing through tokenization lowers the barrier to entry for investors and captures the benefits of blockchain technology by providing instantaneous transfers of value and 24/7 trading.
The world needs better access to exclusive commercial real estate investments. Hi, my name is Ben McCright, and I'm the Director of Strategic Initiatives with ABC Fintech. From retail investors all the way up to institutional funds, we deliver fractional ownership of our commercial real estate portfolio through tokenization on blockchain. Currently, we have over $3 million of commercial real estate that we've closed on, over $600,000 worth of ABC tokens sold, which equates to over 50,000 tokens in circulation. Our tokens have appreciated in 35% of value. There are currently over 300 ABC token holders, and our team of advisors has over 300 years of commercial real estate investment experience. We've currently raised over $500,000 of working capital, and we are looking forward to our TV segment that will air early August on a TV show called The Advancements, hosted by Ted Danson. That show is picked up by both CNBC as well as Bloomberg TV. We're currently raising $300,000 for a 2% stake. Our improved web platform has just launched, and we are beginning our 60-day marketing surge that is leading up to that CNBC broadcasts. We have groups of registered investment advisors knocking down our door to sell our securities. Connect with us on social media, and let's be partners and transform the way that we own real estate. We are ABC Fintech, and we are ready to #go global.
AMW Tech uses AI and machine learning to help companies, ad buyers, and media agencies better understand their audiences to hyper-personalize their online video ad campaigns. The B2B SaaS gathers data ethically without the use of cookies, keeping user privacy intact.
With the meteoric rise of user-generated content platforms, online video advertising should be your most powerful tool. Yet, many businesses miss this opportunity. My name is Alexi Walsh, and I am the co-founder of AMW Tech. AMW Tech is a web application for ad buyers, media agencies, and medium-sized companies and brands. We use AI and ML to help clients understand their audience and hyper-personalize their online video advertising. With AMW, your campaign is monitored and refined 24/7 to optimize your ad spend and accurately target your audience. Unlike our competitors and the UGC platforms, we gather data ethically and without the use of third-party cookies, respecting consumer privacy and ultimately protecting brand reputation. Our team carries the firepower needed to make our company work. I carry extensive experience in the advertising space as an award-winning video producer of over 15 years, where I specialize in commercial and online branded content. I have worked with some of the world's biggest companies and agencies, such as Google and McDonald's, and through this work, have advised on numerous online advertising campaigns to maximize ad spend. My co-founder has extensive startup experience as a full-time founder with 2 exits. He has over 20 years experience in the technology sectors with a laser focus on AI and ML. His work has seen him design and develop core governmental infrastructures in the education and financial sectors, as well as working with large corporations such as Accenture. Our initial target market will be ad buyers and media agencies, who make up $6 billion in total in online video advertising spend. As we look to scale and grow, we will then be able to tap into a global market that is worth currently $65 billion. With further growth, the same technology could be applied to other aspects of advertising, which can see us tap into a market worth $375 billion. We are seeking a pre-seed raise of $500,000. That will get us into beta testing with early adopters from our target market, bring on additional support to the team, and get us ready for a soft launch. I really appreciate having the opportunity to present our company today, and I look forward to any future conversations. We are AMW Tech, and we are ready to #go global.
Boltzmann Labs is reimagining drug discovery to reduce risk, time, and costs. Their no-code, cloud-based AI solutions automate the drug design process for target identification, protein design, small molecule design, and small molecule synthesis.
Drug discovery is an expensive and time-intensive process. Still, 90% of the drugs that enter the clinical trials fail. Hi, I'm Sarath, founder of Boltzmann Labs. For biotech companies who are interested in cutting the cost and automate their design process, we are creating various no-code AI platforms that will be automating their process from the target identification to small molecule synthesis. One of the platform that we have designed for small molecule design that will be automating the data collection part to the design part, where users will be able to generate the molecule designs according to their property requirements. With this product, we are able to create multiple partnerships. We have created 4 service partnerships. In this, we created the designs for the researchers according to their requirements. One of our programs went into the lab, and we have seen very good success rate with our technology. Apart from this, we have created 2 joint ventures with one academic lab and one small biotech. If these programs were entering the clinical trials, we might see $1 million or $1 billion value creation in this process. Our SaaS platform being used by top contract research organizations in India. Hopefully, they'll be converted into the premium customers in the next couple of quarters. In this round, we are raising $1 million that will be enabling us to create $1 million annual recurring revenue and launch of the other products, Rebold, Bold Bio. Apart from this, we'll be creating 5 joint venture programs focused on various diseases that will be enabling us to create a minimum of $100 million value creation. We are Boltzmann. We are ready to #go global.
Shipping in India is a mess, with arbitrary transit times, lost packages, and limitations on where packages can be shipped to and from. Bombax Logistics enables customers to choose transit time based on priority, eradicates lost packages, and enables shipping to and from anywhere in India, even remote areas.
Bombax Logistics, #deliveries made easy. India's $215 billion logistic industry is highly fragmented, disorganized, and inefficient. My name is Chaitanya Sin, and I am the CEO of Bombax Logistics. Bombax has been built for businesses and consumers in every corner of India that need delivery and pickup services with transparent pricing. Bombax has an agile supply chain network that connects smaller airports with rural distribution hubs so as to be able to offer flexible and reliable shipping options via its digital platform on the demand side. This is as opposed to India's current logistics minefield, where 95% of air cargo movement is restricted to only 7 airports, and 4% of the country's GDP is wasted on shipping inefficiencies. Bombax modernizes and expands shipping options to India's underserved 1.2 billion consumers and over 65 million small businesses that are eager to serve them. Bombax has in the last 6 months increased its top line and become profitable by focusing on high margin business. From the current revenue of $300,000 per month, we expect to grow to $500,000 per month by December 2022. Bombax is looking to raise $8 million to continue to scale the network, attract the right talent, and build out the tech. We are Bombax, and we are ready to #go global.
Career Engine integrates with existing collaboration tools like Slack, email, your calendar, and Atlassian to automate team performance insights, drive 360-degree feedback, and scale productivity and performance. The freemium SaaS platform delivers contextual and continuous performance outcomes to remote and hybrid teams at scale.
The Great Resignation and now a recession has impacted work environments. More than half of the employees feel disconnected because their work output is invisible to managers and recognition absent. We all hate performance reviews. Hi, my name is Theta, co-founder of Career Engine, a performance automation platform to replace manual, biased, and boring tools with a system that is automated, fair, and accessible. Unlike today's ad hoc evaluation tactics, Career Engine integrates with your favorite work tools to enable instant recognition as opposed to spending hours on documentation and reporting. Managers and employees exchange frequent work interactions, but rarely get constant and personalized feedback. Why? Because it's top-down and hence creates distrust and bias. Our solution to modern teams is an intelligent platform that does 3 things: extracts meaningful work interactions, adds skills and KPIs automatically, and enables instant recognition and evaluation.
Imagine Chloe. Chloe's a rockstar software engineer who just shipped a great feature. She regularly reviews Git commits and participates proactively in meetings. Chloe's manager, Dan, is good, but struggles to keep a tab on his team. Dan and Chloe overlap across several interactions, but they rarely speak about Chloe's work. Chloe has a hard time consolidating her accomplishments across productivity tools. Dan is struggling, and Chloe feels disengaged. Enter Career Engine. Chloe can onboard her favorite work tools, Slack, Jira, Git, Docs, and let Career Engine capture all her work in a single place automatically. Every time Chloe highlights her work, Dan gets a notification and can recognize Chloe's achievements. Chloe feels her work is visible and appreciated. With increased transparency, Dan can optimize his team's performance with ease. Career Engine, the all-in-one tool to accelerate your team.
We are live with 2 paying customers, 5 signed contracts, and an active pipeline, and are seeking $1 million of seed round for product development and go-to-market to acquire 100 enterprise customers. Let's build high-performing teams. We are Career Engine and are ready to #go global.
CNext enables company-wide decision augmentation and automation to anticipate, respond to, and drive competitive advantage. The platform turns employees into superhumans by combining human intuition with AI to optimize and align decisions with business strategy and goals.
The digital age has revolutionized the way we use data. Yet, millions of daily business decisions are still left to gut feeling. Hi, my name is Pieter van Kerkhoven, co-founder of CNext. For B2B enterprises who are looking to improve sales, we've built a decision intelligence platform that nudges sales reps to take better decisions, save time, and sell more. Unlike traditional business intelligence tools like Tableau, which are basically reports, our decision intelligence platform delivers actionable decision support to reduce customer churn, to increase cross-sell, and to optimize pricing, resulting in measurable outcome to the business by capturing human intuition and combining it with 90% accurate AI predictions. Decision intelligence is hot. According to analysts such as Gartner, 33% of enterprises will adopt decision intelligence, resulting in a market of $37 billion by the end of 2025. We reached the finals at the Webit Founders Game, backed by investors like Tim Draper from Tesla, selected out of 4,000 startups. So far, we've bootstrapped our startup backed by a $600K grant, leading to the beta version of our enterprise SaaS platform, released in the second quarter this year. Our first partnership with a worldwide leader in automotive contract management software enabled us to validate and deploy our platform globally. And we will hit 2 million in revenue this year, expecting 10K MRR subscription revenue within the next 2 quarters since our beta release. Our unique business goal management feature allows management to configure decision objectives that our AI uses to nudge salespeople towards optimal decisions. We're also validating another use case, decision intelligence for healthcare, in collaboration with a major hospital and 2 top European universities with the aim to prevent a next pandemic. With the 2 million funding, we would like to enhance our software, extend the sales team, and set up a USC Corp to reach 100K MRR with a month-over-month growth of 30%, 40 B2B customers, and 5 distribution partners, all within the next 18 months. Join us on our journey. We're CNext, and we're ready to #GoGlobal.
Delta Theta is an American options DEX where any trader can buy and sell options on the most volatile crypto assets. Focused on second-tier tokens like Binance, Aave, Polygon, and Polkadot, the platform offers unique trading services and enables customers to make regulated P2P options trades.
Delta Theta is a regulated DeFi protocol where you can trade options on any crypto asset. You can buy and you can sell options. We support different chains like Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Aurora Near. I would like to introduce how we will change the landscape of crypto derivatives trading. We combine legal environment and all unique feature of distributed ledgers technology for options trading on crypto assets. We provide our service to institutionals like hedge funds, asset management firms, banks, and for retail clients also. The unique feature that you can trade with other whitelisted wallets under legal environment, and all transactions are on chain. Brokerage house doesn't have access to your funds. This is unique and fantastic feature for any institutionals. Within the last 10 months, we achieved more than 2,200 users. We reached 1,400 traders, and we generated 63,000 of revenue. I believe that next 6 months, we will increase our revenue in 3 times. First of all, marketing. And we launched a campaign with 3Commas, one of the leading marketplace for crypto traders, with more than 500,000 monthly unique visitors. And second point, we will deliver new feature, margin trading. We believe that margin trading can increase our revenue in 3 times. We asked 500,000, and we think that we can reach 1,000 active traders in next 6 months. As a result, 1 million quarterly revenue. We would like to distribute this investment between marketing, product development, and working capital. We are Delta Theta, and we are ready to #GoGlobal.
ECP Pharma is an early-stage pharmaceutical research company focused on creating novel drugs to target central nervous conditions that today have no mainstream treatment options. ECP has combined psychedelic and cannabinoid compounds to potentially treat several diseases such as mild traumatic brain injury and mild cognitive impairment, which cumulatively affect more than 200 million people on an annual basis.
Good afternoon. My name is Nick Anand. I am the CEO and co-founder for ECP Pharma. Thank you for making the time to be with us today. ECP Pharma is a central nervous system focused pharmaceutical company with the goal to develop drugs for diseases with no mainstream treatment options. Our most advanced drug candidate is for the treatment of mild traumatic brain injury, also commonly known as concussion. This is a condition which affects millions of patients worldwide, and the patients have no choice but to live with the effects of this disease for a very long period of time. Using a novel combination of cannabinoids and psychedelics, ECP Pharma has developed a unique combination drug therapy, which in the preclinical has shown extremely promising results. A pre-IND package has already been submitted to the FDA, and we have a very favorable response to proceed the IND for human trials. Our current target is to enter human trials by Q2 of 2023. ECP Pharma has put together the brightest minds in the United States using key program delivery partners to deliver the drug successfully and at a fast track approach with the FDA. The pipeline of ECP Pharma does not limit it only to mild traumatic brain injury. Amnestic mild cognitive impairment and multiple sclerosis are also at a preclinical stage and scheduled to get into pre-IND very soon. We are raising a total of $8 million at a Series A financing with the goal to complete the clinical trials required to enter the phase 2B for mild traumatic brain injury. We are ECP Pharma, and we are ready to #go global. Thank you.
EVI Technologies has designed and commercialized low-cost and technologically superior electric vehicle charging stations for India. Designed to address the lack of charging infrastructure, India cannot go green without EVIT.
As we are aware, a big migration from fuel-based vehicles to electric vehicles is taking place all around the world. However, it is in early stage in India. Hi, my name is Vikrant, and I am the co-founder of EVI Technologies. For electric vehicles, we have expertise for charging stations. All electric vehicles coming on Indian roads will require EV charging stations. EV charging is a promising and growing market in India. India will require around 60,000 public EV charging stations by 2026. Thus, there is a big potential for growth of charging stations. Government thrust and automakers' focus in accelerating introduction of EVs on Indian roads will require a big charging station network, which currently does not exist. And government initiatives are pushing it, and so are we. 50% vehicles electric by 2024, $1.4 billion USD government subsidy on EVs, automakers launching EVs made this ecosystem more viable. EVIT is building this infrastructure which presently is inadequate. Proven traction from biggest names in the industry for EVIT's OPEX model for EVIT's in-house developed EVI charger along with its backend software, which is mobile application and central management server. EVIT unique OPEX business model will allow us to cater major market in India. We have set up around 390 charging points on capex sale model, which brought organic revenue growth. Our ask is $3 million USD, which will be used to set up 900 charging points on OPEX model. After this round, we targeted to reach 3x in next 3 years. Investment in EVIT promises to access to pan-India EV charging company, thereby access to the Indian market, which is anticipated to grow at robust CAGR of 43.13% for the next decade. We are EVI Technologies and we are ready to go global. Thank you.
Computing is moving to a new dimension. Today, Hollowware manufactures mini workstations that are AR and VR enabled, catering to any user in need of a powerful and portable computer to develop for the future. Tomorrow, Hollowware will provide holographic computers to bring 3D to life at the hardware level.
Hello, team. The way in which we are interacting computers hasn't changed since their inception. I'm Raghav, CEO and founder of Collaber, for consumers and businesses who need a live 3D way to work, play, and collaborate. We are developing a holographic computer as opposed to regular 2D monitors. Holographic computer provides a 3D space, transforming the ways in which we operate our devices from education to business. We started building the computer to innovate it to the next level of computers, or next line of computers, be it robotic or holographic computer. So we have released portable and tower model of computers and yielding around 100K USD last year. We are having $500K worth of product in production. And we are also having $5 million worth deals in pipeline for the current year. We have successfully released 2 products in 2 consecutive years and successfully commercialized that. Also, we are planning to release robotic computer, which is self-repairing computer, by next year, and holographic draft version by the subsequent year. We are requesting 2 million of USDs for expanding the current user base and releasing the robotic workstation and working on the draft version of the holographic computer. We are Collaber and we are ready to #go global. Thank you.
In a medical first, Longterm Jevity has isolated and stabilized psilocin to treat musculoskeletal disorders like lower back pain and spinal cord injury. Longterm Jevity's proprietary chemistry has the potential to induce pain reduction and neuron repair to rehabilitate the world from its leading causes of disability, currently impacting 1.7 billion people.
With over 60 plus years of clinical evidence and centuries of human use, psilocin is believed by many health practitioners to be the favored psychedelic molecule to treat a broad array of indications. Yet, with all the positive safety data and trial outcomes, no psilocin product has been given an FDA drug license. This is where a generational opportunity lies. Hi, my name is Brian Levine, a co-founder of Longterm Jevity. Our Toronto laboratory is currently licensed in Canada for R&D and business activities using scheduled drugs. We currently have a grant-funded study at Queen's University and will be starting clinical trials with our partner US CRO in 2022. Our core technology is a transdermal delivery system targeting receptors in the spine to alleviate pain and promote nervous tissue repair. Our lead indication is lower back pain, which currently impacts 570 million people around the world and generates $12 billion in therapy costs in the US alone each year. We have differentiated ourselves in the market. We're using a generic with known positive data versus a new molecule. We're using a microdose amount that provides safe administration that could be done from home versus being in the care of a health practitioner. And we're using a transdermal targeted delivery versus oral non-target delivery. We are currently in our seed round financing and raising $2 million USD at a $10 million valuation. This is for the majority of the use of proceeds being allocated to collect data on our lead product and psilocin delivery system, the electrogel. We are Longterm Jevity, and we are ready to #go global.
Each person has different natural physical limitations that prevent their ability to optimize their quality of life. Medisize uses AI and historical medical data to shift healthcare from reactive to proactive and identify diseases before it's too late.
Globally, reactive healthcare causes a financial burden of trillions of dollars. The world is in need of a proactive solution. The only solution to provide clinical outcomes is deep analysis of physiology through artificial intelligence. Medisize uses artificial intelligence to digitalize and apply deep analytics integrated into a cloud-based platform. With Medisize, doctors can identify disease earlier, insurance companies can reduce healthcare costs, and financial services can predict accurate forecasting for health economics. Hi, my name is Johan Els, and I'm the founder of MediScience. As opposed to single organ assessments, which healthcare is predominantly using, MediScience provides breath-by-breath analysis of oxygen and carbon dioxide in each organ to understand how all of these physiological systems are functioning simultaneously and identify where the problems are. In 2003, physical inactivity was the leading healthcare expense in the USA, totaling $76 billion. Healthcare costs that year for physical inactivity totaled $1.2 trillion. 20 years later, and we expect these numbers to be significantly higher. As for traction, Stellenbosch University requested MediScience to relocate to their medical faculty to create the only perioperative research facility on the African continent. The interest of such a renowned institution proves that our product is based on scientific facts, and we are presenting the truth for healthcare. Our data is shedding light on the unknown and is the only solution to provide practical outcomes to reduce healthcare costs. We are also experiencing revenue growth of 111%. MediScience is raising $2 million. The funding will be used to formalize our international company, continue AI development, and expand MediScience facilities. We are MediScience, and we are ready to #go global. Thank you.
Smart Money combines a proprietary cloud-based digital banking platform with grassroots financial education to scalably acquire 800 million unserved and difficult to access African banking clients with an astonishingly low $3 customer acquisition cost.
Africa, 1.2 billion people. By 2030, home to 20% of the world's population. It is the last continent to join the global economy, and it is inevitable that it will. Banking is the foundation. Hi, I'm Michael Spencer, co-founder and CEO of Smart Money International. Africa is not a place for churches, charities, and victims. It is a place for business, service, and customers. Customers who have money and demand solutions that work. Smart Money is a digital neobank for the many underserved African people and businesses who long for a path to financial security. I spent the first 15 years of my career building fintech solutions for Goldman Sachs and other Wall Street banks. I spent the past 10 years living in remote, rural African villages, learning from hundreds of thousands of farmers, shopkeepers, and school teachers how to bring benefit to the many unbanked customers at the bottom of the global wealth pyramid. The result? A globally unique banking model that combines modern digital fintech tools with effective grassroots financial education to give our customers the one thing they want the most: more money for themselves and their families. Our solution is proven and it works. We have first mover advantage. Today, we have 300,000 customers in Uganda who have deposited $5 million and who we acquired with an astonishingly low $3 customer acquisition cost, and who generate $8 annual revenue per customer. Join our revolution. We are seeking now $3 million of seed investment. We are Smart Money, and we are ready to #go global. Thank you.
SpendWiser is a fintech SaaS that is revolutionizing retail via mobile point of sale by combining card payments, a loyalty program as a service, buy now, pay later cashback features, and direct marketing to drive loyalty for retailers.
What if companies could spend the marketing budget to connect directly with the customers rather than wasting the spending blindly on the masses. My name is Farouk. I'm the co-founder of SpendWiser. SpendWiser is for retailers looking for a cost-effective digital platform to accept payment and use the payment data for marketing. We offer a digital platform that incentivizes customers to make purchases by sending marketing money directly to customers post-sale. Unlike the traditional digital marketing model, where only 2% of ad spends are converted, SpendWiser flips the scripts and converts 100% of your marketing money to sales. We had a very strong pre-launch traction. We were lucky to partner with Apple Middle East during the iPhone 13, and we did the campaign to increase activation for them. We also signed well-known 150 brands in Qatar, which provides an annual volume of $40 million. We also signed an agreement with the MasterCard, which is going to take us to 150 countries. And we also got a debt facility of $85 million from one of the leading VCs in the US. The success story of the Apple was a huge, where they want to make sure that all the phones shipped to Qatar is activated in Qatar. We signed an agreement with them. Then we did a mass campaign by tapping on to Apple's marketing fund, where we told the consumers to buy iPhone 13, activate it, and then you're going to get an instant $200, which can be used for any Apple accessories. The campaign was a huge success. We had a 60% conversion on that, which made us as a huge partner in the Middle East. Our product range is simple. We have a mobile POS, we have a loyalty program as a service, and we have direct marketing and the discount coupons and stuff like that. We are raising 1.5 million to have a payment volume of 40 million plus, to onboard 1,000 merchants and to achieve 3x growth. You are SpendWiser, you're ready to hashtag go global.
A huge thank you to everyone for coming today, and we sincerely hope that you've been inspired by the range and depth of our founders and companies. If you've attended a GSD Labs demo day before, you will notice that we're on a new platform. Stonks is set up especially for events like this, and each company has their own profile page where you can learn more about each startup, contact the founder, and even pledge investment. We urge you to take the advantage of these features and reach out directly to founders for any questions. Thank you also to the founders and teams who work so hard every day on your vision to change the world. While there's lots of darkness out there, I also see so much light and endless possibilities for our future. Everyone here, from investors to mentors to founders to friends, is part of a community working hard to create a better future, and it is my honor to be a part of it. Thanks, everyone. Now let's get back to work.